Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So in this video guys I will be sharing my experience with the Gyeon Bath car soap, which is a slick and very foamy car soap, and I got it from Amazon for £15 for half a liter of product. Now what I'm going to do today is use it on the wheels. Try to use it as a pre-wash, but I kind of failed filming it, so I'm going to use it through a foam cannon, and I'm going to use it through a bucket the traditional way. And I'm first going to start off with this gray Audi, and I'm going to start off with the wheels. And I put 13 milliliters of products in my 3-liter pump spray. However, I think you could use a bit more if you want to clean the wheels with this car soap. But again, it's not designed for the wheels specifically because the wheels are very dirty, and I would use a degreaser here. It was more just to try out and see what it can actually do on the wheels, and it honestly did a good job. The wheels were clean. However, these wheels are cleaned on a weekly basis, and they're also waxed on a weekly basis, so you can't get away with using this car soap. However, I wouldn't do that because I don't think it's cost effective to use it that way. And but overall, the wheels came out shiny. There was no dirt left behind. This was just like a little experiment for myself to see if it will clean or not, but it did. And now I'm spraying the rest of the car with the same dilution ratio here. Again, I should have added a bit more. It probably would be a bit more potent, but again, I won't judge this product for being a dedicated like pre-wash. It's not. It's mainly designed for the contact wash. So I've added about 4 squirts of product, which is about 30 milliliters, and I added 10 liters of water, which is for me more than enough. And I'm using a traditional delicate wash mitt, and there's quite a bit of foam this product produces, and basically as soon as you put it on the surface of paint, it is very slick, as it says on the bottle of the product. What I also like about the bottle that it comes in, it has this soap dispenser, and I really like it. It makes life a bit easier. However, when you first use this product, you need to figure out how much on average soap it dispenses with every squirt. So later you know how much product you're adding into the bucket. And I really needed a car soap that I can use on a weekly basis. Something not too harsh like the Garage Therapy Zero Decon, but something I can use on a weekly basis. Not too concerned about preserving my waxes because I reapply them on a monthly basis anyway. But it's nice. It's kind of fun using soap. I usually use rinseless washes, but it is fun to use soap if you have access to water, and you can use a pressure washer or a garden hose. It doesn't matter, but it is fun using soap, especially a slick soap like this. So as you can see here, I don't use a grid guard in my bucket. I simply put my wash mitt on the grid guard and then rinse off my wash mitt, and I believe that about 90% of those contaminants or even more are off the wash mitt anyway, and then I put it back in the bucket, and the water at the end of the wash in the bucket is pretty much clean or contaminant free. So I think this is a far more effective method than the 2-bucket method. And now we're rinsing the product off the surface. It rinses off freely. As it is a professional product, this is what you would expect from it. So now I'm going to dry the car. I'm not going to apply any spray wax. I'm just going to show you the finish after the car is dried. And there's no streaks left behind. The soap did what it's supposed to do. Leave a clean, nice, crispy looking finish. So now I'm going to use this product through a foam cannon, and I'm going to add about 15 milliliters into the foam cannon. This is a smaller foam cannon. I think it's about 600 mils, so you might need to use a bit more on a bigger foam cannon. The dilution ratio I have found out on ChatGPT, and it works quite well. The foam came out thick and juicy, and there's quite a lot of it. It is a great way to use this car soap. However, you're using nearly twice the amount. And I also want to mention that this whole bottle will probably give you about 20 to 25 washes depending on how much you use it. With the foam cannon, you're probably gonna end up having about like 10 to 15 washes. However, what's the benefit of this is obviously you get a lot of soap, and as well the slickness is next level. So you literally need to just glide the wash mitt through the surface, no pressure. However, I would still prefer to use the bucket method because it's just a bit more cost effective. Because if you're using 25 ml of this product, the cost per wash is around 75p, and with the foam cannon I've literally just used £1.50 of product here. So there is a difference, and the product is still quite slick even with the bucket. The only thing that I would do is probably just try to saturate the mitt even more with the soap, and put it in a bucket more often just to get more soap onto the surface. So the overall user experience, guys, with this product is great. This is a premium quality car soap. It does what it says on the label. Is it the most cost effective or the strongest car soap out there? Probably not. Even Bilt Hamber Auto Wash is far more cost effective and is probably a stronger car soap. But I think Bilt Hamber Auto Wash isn't the slickest car soap necessarily. However, I mean, this product, the reason why I got it, I want to use it on a weekly basis. I'm going to be using it in the bucket, and the ultimately, like, user experience does matter to me, and I really liked using it. The other reason why I got this product, because I literally ran out of Bilt Hamber Auto Wash, and I've been using that soap for nearly 2 years. Now and then, because I use, as I said before, Rinseless Washes and other soaps. So I wanted to try something premium, and this was available on Amazon as well. This is my preferred way of buying car chemicals, and there's so many car soaps out there, and I didn't want to go necessarily with the cheapest one. I just wanted to try out what the Gyeon brand has in its arsenal. I'll probably try out something from Koch Chemi next. But yeah, if you want to get this car soap, you can get it off Amazon. I'll probably include it in my link in the description. So thank you everyone for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.